Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by opening System Settings or System Preferences from the Apple menu. Use System Settings on Mac OS Ventura and later, and System Preferences on Monterey or earlier. Click Desktop and Dock in Ventura to find screensaver settings listed for quick access. On older Mac OS, choose Desktop and Screensaver, then the Screensaver tab. These steps take under 1 minute once you know the menu names. This ensures you are in the right panel for changing, previewing, and scheduling your new screensaver preferences. Scroll the available screensavers and click one to preview its animation. Pick options like Flurry, Classic, or a photo shuffle from a folder of images. Use options to set the image source, change display order, and adjust animation speed. Choose a start time using Start After or set hot corners to activate the saver instantly. Enable Require Password after 5 minutes to secure your Mac when returning. Each customization saves automatically, and you can preview changes instantly before closing the setting. For personal images, choose Photo Library or add a specific folder as the source. You can create a custom slideshow with transition timing and image order controls. Set display sleep to a longer or shorter interval than the screensaver for optimal power savings. Use hot corners for quick access and assign mission control or lock screen as needed. To remove a custom screensaver, delete its file from the user folder at /library/screensavers. Restart the Settings app to refresh available saver choices after changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.